May the God of the misty dawn wake you. May the God of the rising sun stir you up. May the God of the morning sky send you on your way. May the God of noonday stillness renew your strength. May the God of the afternoon bring you home. May the God of sunset delight your eye. May the God of twilight calm your nerves, and the God of dusk bring you peace. And may God bless you, the rising and the setting sun, the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.